guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. I don't think I'm the only one who likes to enjoy a good bread on the side for my pasta dish or for my soup. It is Friday, so I just thought I would make some delicious garlic bread, and it's also so delicious on its own. Just enjoy it as a really nice snack. Let's get started. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. In a bowl I have some crushed garlic, some chopped basil, and lots of soft butter. I'm just going to use a fork to mix it well together. I've cut open 6 ciabatta buns and just add them onto a baking sheet with some parchment paper on. All I have to do is to add my garlic butter on top of them all. Sprinkle over some mozzarella cheese. Add on some slices of cherry tomatoes. A little bit of salt and pepper. Shredded Parmesan cheese. And some fresh basil on top. These bad boys are ready to bake in the oven for around 14 minutes. After that, just let them cool down for about 10 minutes before you serve them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for my garlic bread, guys, and if you want to give it a go, all the ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!